In today's video, I'm going to teach you update Instagram from the App Store. If Instagram is not showing your contacts correctly, one of the most common reasons is that the app either needs to be updated or it does not have permission to access your contacts on your iPhone. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what to check so you can get everything set up properly in just a moment. Start by updating Instagram from the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone, search for Instagram, and look at the app page. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the update to finish. This is important because older versions of the app can sometimes cause features to behave unexpectedly or prevent certain options from appearing where they normally should. Once the update is complete, you can move on to the next part. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find Instagram in the list of apps. Tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Here, look for the Contacts option and make sure access is enabled. Turning this on allows Instagram to read your contacts so it can help you find people you may know. If this setting is off, Instagram may not be able to suggest people from your contact list, even if everything else appears to be working normally. After that, reopen Instagram. It's a good idea to fully close the app first and then launch it again so the new permission can refresh properly. Once you're back in Instagram, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom corner. From there, open the menu in the top area of the screen and select Discover People. On some versions of Instagram, you may instead see Follow and Invite Friends, so tap that if Discover People is not shown. This section is where Instagram typically uses your contact access to help you connect with people you may already know. If the option appears differently on your device, that's usually just because of app version differences or interface updates, so don't worry if the wording is slightly different. If you follow these steps, Instagram should now be updated and allowed to access your contacts properly. That usually resolves the issue and helps the app show better suggestions when you're trying to find people from your contact list.